唔會有個本喺度
Stop talking, just that.
Hello guys, welcome back to Deep Chinese. 我係老師 Gloria. Have you guys been following the drama with TVB actress Hilary Chong, 𝐿𝐧𝐿？ On the recent show, she told the judge,
我係跳開拉丁舞。
我跳開拉丁舞 But when they asked her to show off a few moves,
你可唔可以跳一少少拉丁舞？
she suddenly backed out, saying,
但我好耐都冇練啊。
我好耐冇跳啦。Netizen went wild, calling her 大話精 a big liar. Even after she posts photos of her childhood trophies, the internet doesn't buy it. Actually, this might be a misunderstanding caused by tense. If you use the wrong tense, you might get into trouble. Let's look at the difference between these three expressions. Verb hoil. Verb hoil is for habitual action or current routine. 我跳開拉丁舞，我跳開拉丁舞，跳舞，跳舞 dance。拉丁舞，拉丁舞 Latin dance。我跳開拉丁舞 I have been dancing Latin lately. She used the structure verb hoil in Cantonese. This translates most accurately to the present simple or for the action start in the past and continue now. It implies that the action is part of your current lifestyle or default setting. If you say verb hoil something, people will expect that you are being in practice. If you haven't done this in 10 years, using hoil makes it sound like you're lying about your current skills. For example, 你啲肌肉好實啊。係啊，因為我平時有做開 gym。你啲肌肉好實啊。肌肉 muscle 實 is firm. 你啲肌肉好實啊。Your muscles are really firm. 係啊，因為我平時有做開 gym。平時 usually 做 gym go to gym。係啊，因為我平時有做開 gym。Yeah, because I go to the gym regularly, usually. If you tell a boss during your job interview, 我平時同 Google 公司合作開。我平時同 Google 公司合作開。合作 it means cooperate. 我平時同 Google 公司合作開。I usually work with Google. If they hire you and find out you haven't touched a Google project in 5 years, you'll face the same backlash Harry did. Then she said, 我好耐冇跳，好耐 for a long time. 冇 didn't 跳 dance. 我好耐冇跳 I haven't danced for ages. It implies that I'm rusty and out of practice. It's a confession that your skills are not longer sharp. 我好耐冇講廣東話，所以我可能講得唔好。我好耐冇講廣東話，所以我可能講得唔好。可能 maybe 講得唔好，講得唔好 speak not well. I haven't spoken Cantonese in a long time, so I might not speak it very well. When you say 我跳開 and then immediately follow it with 我好耐冇跳, it's a massive contradiction. Her trophies prove that she has done Latin before. In Cantonese, we can say 我之前跳過拉丁舞。我之前跳過拉丁舞。The radical 過 indicates a past experiences. It means you have done it at some point in your life, but you may not be doing it anymore. Let's look at another example. 我3年前學過廣東話，所以我識講少少廣東話。我3年前學過廣東話，所以我識講少少廣東話。3年前 3 years ago. 學過 have learned. 識講 know to speak 少少 a little bit. 廣東話 Cantonese. 我3年前學過廣東話，所以我識講少少廣東話。I studied Cantonese 3 years ago, so I speak a little bit of it. See the difference? If you say verb regularly do something, usually do something, people assume it's the present habit. If it's just a childhood memory, you should use verb 過能. Verb 過能. Don't let a simple tense mistake ruin your reputation. I have a full record master class specifically explaining this tricky tense. Please check the link above. Do you think Haley was genuinely trying to fake it until she made it? Or was it just a slip of the tongue? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Bye bye.